गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबॉडी। माई सेल्फ विश्वेंद्र, आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ ऑप्टिमल सक्सेस ट्रैजेक्टरी। आज से बात करूंगा आपसे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम के बारे में। सो लेट्स सपोज दैट देयर आर n particles having position vectors r1 r2 up to rn. So we know that the position vector of center of mass of the system is m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus so on up to mn rn divided by m1 plus m2 plus so on up to mn. Now I differentiate the left hand side and right hand side with respect to time. So I get d upon dt of RCM is equal to d upon dt. I write this expression in mathematical way as sigma mi ri, I is equal to 1 to n divided by sigma m. Now we know that differentiation of position vector gives us velocity. So we have velocity is equal to 1 upon sigma mi, I is equal to 1 to n and d by dt of this thing. So after all the calculations, we have Vcm is equal to 1 upon sigma mi, I is equal to 1 to n, sigma mi vi, I is equal to 1 to n. So this I take over there and we have sigma mi, I is equal to 1 to n into velocity of center of mass. This is equal to sigma mi vi, I is equal to 1 to n. And I can write it as the momentum of the system. So what I have is mass of system multiplied by velocity of center of mass is equal to the momentum of the system. Now if velocity of center of mass will be constant when acceleration of center of mass is 0, which will be possible when external force on the system is 0. So momentum of system will remain constant because momentum of system is mass of system multiplied by velocity of system, and velocity of center of mass is constant. So we have momentum of system as constant. So we can say that in absence of external forces on a system, the momentum of the system remains conserved. That is, initial momentum of the system is equal to the final momentum of the system. So this is how we can write it as, if f external is equal to 0, then pi system is equal to pf system. The law of conservation of momentum finds use in many applications like recoiling of gun, man-boat problem, rocket propulsion. In many ways it finds applications. So hope it worked for you. Thank you and have a nice day.